sing a song. Good manners shine so bright, they make the world so right. When you want a toy or treat, say please with words so sweet. Good manners make you meet. When you get a gift today, thank you is the kindest way. It makes hearts bloom and stay. If you make a small mistake, sorry is the word to take. It mends the bond you break. Share your toys, don't play alone. Sharing makes the kindness shown. It builds a happy tone. In a line, don't rush or run. Wait in turns is fair and fun. It shows respect to everyone. Say hello with smiles so true. Greetings bring a joy to you, and spread good cheer right through. Good manners shine so bright, they make the world so bright. When a friend begins to speak, listen close, don't shout or peek. Respect makes bonds unique. If you see a need in sight, helping hands make hearts so light, and fill the world with bright. Use kind words like you're so sweet. Kindness makes the day complete. It turns each frown to a treat. Knock before you enter in. It's polite and shows within. Respect begins to win. When you sneeze, just use your arm. Cover up to bring no harm. That's the polite charm. Chew your food, don't make it loud. Table manners make us proud. Good habits are allowed. Good and calmly shows you care. Patience keeps the moment fair. It spreads peace everywhere. Put your books and toys away, keeping tidy every day. Good manners find their way. Treat the elders with pure grace. Honor shines upon your face. Kindness fills the space. When it's time to end the day, goodbye friends is nice to say. It sends joy on its way. Smile at friends both far and near. Smiles can spread the sweetest cheer. Good manners shine so clear. Good manners shine so bright, they make the world so bright. I hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. See you soon guys, bye bye.